Hi beauties, how are you? Well, if you're like me, have you ever suffered from hair loss, where you look in the shower and the hair's coming out? Or, your hair looks less shiny, less volume, you're feeling less confident because it doesn't look as good? Well, I have a great solution that I discovered, so stay tuned. So I'm Dawn Gallagher, and I am a conscious beauty expert, a best-selling author, and I've been a model. And I still am modeling. So today I really want to show you something really exciting. Because what I specialize is I look around for the best beauty products out there to make you feel more vibrant, more beautiful, and just make you thrive at any age. So ladies, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do by hitting the subscribe button and the little bell, and that will let you know when I'm uploading new videos. Make sure you wait to the end of the video because I have a very special surprise for you. So let's get to it. So I have discovered this amazing root renewal serum, the Merelta. And what I love about it is that it's plant-based, there's no parabens, there's no chemicals, it's all natural, and it really works. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of a demonstration about the Merelta. What was happening with me was around the sides of my scalp, I started to lose hair. When I started using Merelta and spraying around my scalp, and also when I learned to spray within the part, I found that my hair started growing back. And it was really shocking because I thought, oh my God, this is plant-based. I don't like using things that are chemical-based or things that you have to have a prescription for. I don't find them as safe. And the Merelta is 100% safe. And it's also cruelty-free. So that's a big plus for me. All right, so grab your tea, and I'm gonna show you how to use this in very simple steps. So the first thing is you're gonna wanna part your hair in the middle. Now, people ask me, how many times do you need to spray your hair with the Merelta? You only need 10 sprays. You do it every day. I do it every day. If you want, you can do it 2 to 3 times a week. This can be used on color-treated hair. This could be used with other hair products. What I love about it, I have color-treated hair, and I use lots of hair products, so it was perfect for me. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna part your hair in the middle, 2 sprays. You're gonna go to the left-hand side. Remember, you have to spray it into the scalp because what it's doing is it's really working the scalp. Did you know, ladies, that your scalp takes on stress? And we worry so much about our skin, but yet we forget about our scalp. So on the left, you're gonna find your part. You're gonna do 2 sprays here onto the scalp. You're gonna go to the back of your hair. You're gonna part your hair in the back. You're gonna do 2 sprays in the back, and then you're gonna go to the bottom. You're gonna part your hair in the back. And then you massage it into your hair. So you do a nice little massage into the scalp, into the back, and that's gonna stimulate the hair growth. What I found for me, that it made my hair shinier. It started to bring back all those little baby hairs, they're all growing back. And it brought back my confidence. Because when I was losing my hair, I was starting to get really paranoid, and it was making me wear hats, and it was making me not feel as beautiful as I deserve to feel. So when you find something like the Merelta Root Hair Serum, it's going to not only make you feel beautiful, but I also, with my hair back, I feel more confident and successful. I feel like I can go out and, style my hair and look fabulous. So ladies, what's really awesome about it is that you can apply this to wet or dry hair. So if you're getting out of the shower, you can apply it to your hair. It takes about 3 seconds to do this. Or you can apply it at night when your hair's dried, whenever you have the time. And that's what I love about it. It's so convenient. So thank you, Merelta. I love the fact that, I can do it at home when I want to do it. I don't have to go to a salon to have this done. So ladies, what is so interesting about stress from just everyday life is that it accelerates the scalp's aging and it damages your hair inside the follicle, as you can see here. What happens is it damages the follicle before it emerges from the scalp. And that's what's causing the shedding, hair loss, and premature baldness. With the Merelta, what happens is it keeps the hair follicles as healthy as possible. It's going to stimulate the growth. And what happens is then you get healthier, more beautiful hair. It's really exciting. I've been using it for 3 months and I can really testify how it works. So within like say 7 to 15 days, you're gonna get less hair in your comb. You're gonna have a lot more shine and softer hair. Within say 25 days, you're gonna have a lot more volume, thicker, more youthful hair, and you're also going to have a more pleasing shape. Now, the best thing, within 30 to 60 days, you're going to have increased hair density, but what also, you're going to start getting those compliments. And people are going to say to you these random compliments. What are you doing to your hair? Why does your hair look so great? And that's the best caveat of all, that you're going to be getting these compliments. I've got a surprise for you. If you use code DAWN15, you will get 15% off of your first order of Merelta Root Renewal Serum. So ladies, I'm also going to be on Facebook Live next week. All the details will be in the description below, and I'll be answering all your questions about hair loss. And let me know in the comments below how it's working out for you, and let me know what's going on with your hair. And if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please subscribe and comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.